What's up? What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. 1 second. We'll get started, man. All right. Good morning. Good morning. So, updates on everything. Oh, yeah. Fire started the week. Fire started the week as usual. Um, let's start off, man. So, gave y'all Euro USD yesterday via live stream and in the chat room. If you guys are in the chat room, y'all were able to make some profit on Euro USD. Guys, be mindful that there are two traders in the premium signals group. So just be mindful that there's trades that I put out and then there's trades that VATS puts out. So my information potentially would be different than VATS at times. So just be mindful of that. Other than that, Euro USD has wicked into our entry. Stop loss around 1.07826 held, and then we are looking to drop. So I'm gonna give y'all some updates on this because we could be going up soon on Euro USD for a deeper retracement, and it'll more than likely be potentially around this range or around this range. So I'll give y'all the update once we look at the DXY. So for now, make sure y'all move y'all stop loss, a little bit in profit. I would say potentially in this range is where I'm going to start watching out for a potential false move to the downside and maybe a push back up. So just be careful on Euro USD. So I'm giving y'all that update now. USD CAD. So USD CAD, it is kind of still holding in the area of interest. As of now, it's still good. As of now, it's still okay. It's still good. I don't like the fact that it is still holding here for an extended period of time, but as of right now, it's still okay. It's still respecting pretty well. So let's continue to be patient on this one and see how it turns out. My bias on this one still remains the same. Um, so let me give y'all this update on the DXY because that's mainly what's going to be the catalyst for us over the next few, I would say, trading sessions. We also have ECB this week, as well as Fed, and a few other news this week. We have a few. Let me show y'all. Okay, so this week we have CPI for tomorrow for USD. We'll also have odd unemployment tomorrow. Euro will have monetary policy. ECB as well on Thursday. USD will be having where is it? Prelim on Friday, and then core PPI. So a lot of pretty much rates dropping this week. And then we have monetary policy and then PPI and core PPI. So I would look for mainly Thursday and Wednesday. It's probably going to be in prelim on Friday, but mainly Thursday is going to be a key catalyst for a lot of the pairs just in general. So euro and the dollar on Thursday should give us our direction of where the market wants to head. So for now, I might continue to just kind of hold my current bias until we get closer towards ECB, maybe Wednesday midweek. And then, we can look for that potential maybe reversals on some of these pairs. So USD CAD, we know we're holding continuously to the upside. DXY came down to our area of interest. It has now reversed and started pushing up, which has now led us into profit. On Euro USD to the downside, we are still waiting on USD CAD slow ass. Gold looking phenomenal, man. Gave y'all the update on gold that we're looking for this structure to play out. So far, it is playing out very well, and I am looking for price action to continue towards the downside. So this one is in profit, a few hundred pips given out to the signals team. I gave y'all the update around this area at the high as well. So if y'all grabbed it again from the high, you should have at least got 100 pips. From the beginning of the week, we were looking for a correction up and then a continuation down with our invalidation zone around that 1931. So it did hold for us, and we are now back in the profit on this one. So cheers. It should continue down. NZD USD. So this is going to be kind of a new one for y'all that I'm going to be looking at and watching over the next, I would say, 2 trading sessions. trading days to say. So we are going to. Man, I am tired, y'all. I am tired. I've been trading through London into New York, and I'm normally asleep by 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Uh, so I've just been kind of up. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So what I am looking at now on NZD USD is for price action to give us a push back up, and we are going to be looking to push into, where are we? There we go. So I'm going to be looking for NZD USD to give us a push into this zone. So this is kind of what I'm seeing here. Now, not exactly, for one, this is an impulse. So impulse correction, impulse. So same thing like we have on GU. The thing with these is they don't necessarily have to continuously extend all the way down. They can actually just go for an equal low here and kind of double bottom and then head up. So what I'm really looking for is kind of almost that equal low scenario to play out. But I want this liquidity to be swept as well as price action to mitigate before we head up. So I'm going to be looking for that move down into this area and then the move up. So I'm not going to be trading the down move. I could care less about the down move. I'm mainly focused on the move up. So once we take that liquidity, anywhere below that liquidity, I'll be looking for price action to potentially start hitting toward the upside. So something for y'all to watch on NZD USD. So Euro NZD. So one of my fellow traders kind of kept my eye looking at this one. So I know y'all remember about a week ago we tried to take this from this level, but it actually took off on us. What we were looking for was a push down to take liquidity into this range and then a takeoff. So just seeing his vision on it, we could still potentially get that same move. So he's now also seeing someone I trade with, so he's also now seeing the same move. So which has me leading to the perspective that we might not, be ready to hit longer downturn yet. We actually might get our move that we were looking for from last week. Let me fix this. Cool. So this is what I'll be looking for. So literally the same exact move that we were looking for last week. It's just looking like now might, come to that area. I do like how we're starting to get our more so corrective structure towards the downside and we're kind of channeling in. So that is good because usually we'll get a third retest towards the bottom and then we'll have our takeoff period. So I want this to kind of just do its thing, head towards the downside and then take off. So that's what I'll be looking at on your NZD. As of right now, it looks really, really good. Long term, this did have the potential to create new highs and extend on the trend. The trend is currently bullish right now, so we could extend up to break this level. We're just going to kind of go for an in and out scenario. This is pretty much an 8-to-1. So we'll just take this from here to here and just kind of, be done with it. So that's a few of the trades that I am looking at for now, y'all. Look at gold, man. Literally while we're on stream, y'all. Gold just dropped another 35 pips. Insane. So cheers DXY pushing up. USD CAD still holding around. Euro USD still looking good for us. So for the most part, we are in profit, man. I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in on these streams. If y'all do like these streams, make sure y'all are hitting the like button. It definitely motivates me to drop some more. As well as if you scroll down on your screen, you'll see the link to our website, our free Telegram chat room community. It's completely free. It's where I post a lot of the trade updates. I literally let y'all know when I was entering Euro USD. So a lot of the chat room members were able to grab some profit on that. So cheers to that. So it's very beneficial for y'all to be in the chat room so y'all can make literally free money. Like again, saying that's again free money. So that is in the chat room, link down below for y'all. Our email is down below. If you have any questions about anything, you can shoot me an email or you can shoot me a message on TradingView or Telegram, as well as our broker that we use is down below. So if you guys are looking for a new broker, really good benefits to the broker down below. You do get a 10% bonus sign up, as well as a 20% back on your commissions through the link that I have for y'all below. You also have our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram information all down below. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. We do have our signals lobby open. So if y'all are interested in getting signals with entry, stop loss, and take profit to where you don't really have to do any work, and I pretty much do all the work for you, that information is on our website, which the link is down below. So appreciate y'all. I will see y'all all on the next stream. Peace.